In this video, we're diving into a crucial survival skill, growing your own emergency superfoods at home. When emergencies strike, food supply chains can break down, and having nutrient-rich foods you can grow yourself could be the difference between thriving and just getting by. I'll be showing you 6 superfoods that are easy to grow and packed with nutrients, ensuring your food security in tough times. These superfoods not only provide essential vitamins and minerals, but are also versatile and resilient in different climates. Let's start with kale. This leafy green is a nutrition powerhouse, loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, and calcium. It boosts immunity and bone health, perfect for when food sources are limited. Kale thrives even in cooler weather and is an excellent year-round crop for your survival garden. Plant it in the spring or fall and enjoy fresh greens year-round. Next, the humble potato. It's rich in carbohydrates, potassium, and fiber. Potatoes are easy to grow in containers or soil, making them ideal for various settings, from rural gardens to urban balconies. Once harvested, they store for months and provide long-lasting energy in emergencies. Plus, multiple crops can be grown in a single season. For extra nutrition, grow sweet potatoes. They're packed with vitamin A and are resilient in different climates. The added bonus? Sweet potato greens are also edible. These root vegetables are versatile and store well, making them a fantastic source of energy and nutrients when times are tough. Amaranth is an ancient grain, perfect for emergency gardening. It's a complete protein containing all essential amino acids. Plus, it's drought-resistant and thrives in poor soil conditions. You can eat both the grain and the leaves, making it a versatile crop for survival. Whether you cook the grain or use the leaves in salads, amaranth will keep you well-nourished. Another essential? Garlic. It's easy to grow and stores well for months. Beyond adding flavor, garlic is packed with health benefits, including boosting the immune system. It's a low-maintenance crop that can elevate your meals while keeping you healthy. Finally, don't forget herbs like basil, thyme, and rosemary. Not only do they enhance the flavor of your meals, but many have medicinal properties too. Herbs are space-efficient, growing well in small containers indoors or outdoors, and they require minimal care, making them an essential addition to your survival garden. So, the 6 superfoods for your emergency preparedness are kale, potatoes, sweet potatoes, amaranth, garlic, and herbs. Each of these is easy to grow, nutrient-rich, and will sustain you through tough times. Take action now by sourcing seeds, preparing your soil, and learning what grows best in your area. Remember, in a survival situation, food security is everything. Growing your own superfoods is a step toward resilience.